Alright, so here's how to strum the chords for Without You by the Kid LAROI on the ukulele. So let's go ahead and get started. Before we do, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button so I can keep making these videos for you guys. And let's get into it. So what you want to do is set your middle finger down on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. So that gives you an A minor chord. Alright, and the strum pattern for this one is down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. So one more time. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Then we're going to go to an F. So you just leave your middle finger there on the 2nd fret of the 4th string and you add your index finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. Same strum pattern. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Then we're going to go to a C, really easy, ring finger 3rd fret of the 1st string. Then we're going to go to a G. Index finger 2nd fret of the 3rd string, middle finger 2nd fret of the 1st string, ring finger 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Now let's go ahead and give it a try. Now if you want, in the intro, there's sort of a little rhythmic thing that happens before going to that A minor. What I do is I just kind of rest my fingers across the strings and it goes, it's just down, 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 up, then into the strum pattern, into the A minor chord. You can do that if you want. It's just something I noticed the guitar do at the beginning of the song. So let's go ahead and play through the progression nice and slow a couple times. I'll play the little rhythmic thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. So listening through the song, you might hear a section where they go to a different chord. What that is an E chord, and it's going to happen maybe about a minute or so into the song. You'll play through the first 3 chords. So what that is just going to an E chord. So your index finger hops down here to the 2nd fret of the 1st string, middle finger way up here, 4th fret of the 4th string, ring finger 4th fret of the 3rd string, pinky 4th fret of the 2nd string. And you just strum 5 times and then mute. Right? So that's one thing you'll hear. You'll also hear during the bridge, there's just some whole note chords. So what I think works well there is just to strum through the chord progression as usual, but just do a whole note strum for each chord. So you just do the A minor, and the F, C, G. So you just do whole note strums for each chord for that section. So you might hear that section as well. So that should give you all the pieces to the puzzle. So yeah, go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button if this video was helpful for you, and I will see you all on the next one.